Hey, welcome back. So, as you can see, with not enough of the network's complexity, it fails to capture complex pattern of data. But when we have too much of the hidden units in the network, it perfectly memorizes training data but fails to generalize to test one. And we have this golden mean where it captures the dynamics, but it is not overfitted to training data. And for this particular section, we are throwing you a challenge. Try 500 of hidden units, not only 10. Quite unexpected, right? But you'll be fascinated with the results. You are also invited to complete sweep test function, which is gathering a mean test errors for specified number of repetitions for different initializations of the network. And after that, you are going to play with interactive demo, where you can change the number of hidden units in hidden layer and see the prediction of the network. See you then.